Hi, so people have asked me what should be in a catastrophic bleed kit. So here I've put one together. You can buy these packs all over the place. Open the contents, you can see I've got obviously the 2 pouches, a series of gloves to protect yourself. These are just swabs in case of a pooling of blood. But there, obviously you can see the tourniquet. And in this pouch, I've got a trauma dressing, in this case an Israeli dressing, a pair of scissors to cut through clothing, and Haemostatic Gauze. So that combination of those 3 are the critical parts of a catastrophic bleed kit. Also in here I've put a survival bag to help keep people warm, and obviously there's a pen there as well for the tourniquet.
If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.